Hi everyone. So concrete screws are probably the most versatile and all-round fastener on any construction or installation site. It can either be used as a permanent fixing indoors for hand railings or balustrades, or as a temporary fixing outdoors, for example, a construction company which wants to fix their uprights into place. What's fantastic about these screws is they can be reused 4 or 5 times over until these cutting edges are worn away. And that is exactly how these screws actually work. Exactly like a wood screw into wood, except this is into concrete. It's got these very sharp cutting edges which physically cuts into the concrete. Another great thing about these screws is you can always go one size down. So for instance, where you would require a M10 shield anchor, you can go down to an M8 with a concrete screw as well. So how do I install these screws? Very simple. I firstly create a drill hole into the concrete that I require. So that's also very simple. For an M8 concrete screw, I would require a 8mm concrete drill bit. And this would also allow the sharp cutting edges to cut into the concrete, which protrudes slightly. I would also require, for the two different versions, the hex head firstly, which would require an impact socket, and then also for your countersunk version, I would require a TX40 impact bit. So for all of these screws, there are certificates and approvals available on the Worth South Africa website. But if there's any more information that you require, please do not hesitate to speak to your Worth South Africa sales consultant.